What is a top rated seller program? What are some of the benefits and how do you actually become one? In this video, I'll be telling you how to do exactly that. Sellers who deliver exceptional customer service apply to this program. Jumping straight into the benefits of being in this program. If you are a top rated seller, you receive enhanced visibility in YouTube search, which means eBay trusts you enough as a seller to put your listing higher in search, which means your items will get viewed more, which results in quicker sales. Not only that, but when you actually become a top rated seller, you would get an icon displayed on your profile to let buyers know that you are a top rated seller, which means the trust will be there between the buyer and the seller, so the buyer knows that you are actually a good seller. You will get exclusive seller protections. And if you offer 30-day or longer returns, you will get return shipping label credit for false item not as described claims, and up to 50% refund deduction for decreased value on used or damaged returns. So you get many benefits of becoming a top-rated seller. More sales, more views, all around just amazing. So how do you actually become a top-rated seller? It is actually sort of simple. You just need to make sure you are providing value. So you need the following to qualify as a top-rated seller. Your eBay account has to have been active for at least 90 days. You need to make sure you've had at least 100 transactions or $1,000 in sales in the last 12 months before you could become a top-rated seller. A defect rate less than or equal to 0.5% with 3 or fewer defects from unique buyers. Cases closed without seller resolution less than or equal to 0.3% or 2 or fewer cases. A late shipment rate less than or equal to 3% and 5 or fewer late shipments. And tracking uploaded within your stated handling time. And carrier validation for 95% of transactions to US buyers. Now you might be telling me that's a lot of stuff, I'm never going to be in this program, but listen, it's actually very easy. Really, you just need to make sure you're the best seller you could possibly be, aka shipping fast, selling items that are not defective, and actually selling items. And once you meet these requirements, you will automatically upgrade to the top rated seller status. And as you grow on selling on eBay, it is also very important to manage your eBay inventory. Go ahead and watch this video on how I manage my eBay inventory and how many other people manage their eBay inventory as well.